we want to feature this wonderful listing he has here at Capri. So tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, if you're not here for spring break, you should be here for spring break. We are having a beautiful, beautiful Florida day, and we are on a direct waterfront condo. This is exactly what people think about when they think about a getaway or their own little Miami Beach pad. This is a 2008 building with European flair, hence the Capri name. Full-time doorman, valet, private gym, big front pool, and even docks available. Inside we have a 2-bedroom on a corner with 2 terraces, and I'd love to show doors around and check
Excellent.
it out.
Well, let's take a look.
All right, great, let's see it.
Well, Paul, thank you so much for the wonderful tour. This is a wonderful property. And if you have any questions or would like to see this property in person, just send us a message or place a comment in this video. And we're happy to schedule it with Paul here so that he can take it.
We're going to have a Dropbox with all the professional photos and video. And I'm excited we're going to be doing the drone video soon. So
that's
going to be really helpful for all you people to understand how close we are to Lincoln Road and all of South Beach in the Bay. So stay tuned, Doors 305 or ps@compass.com.
Excellent, and I will see you here again next Tuesday with the next property feature in the open house schedule. Thank you so much for joining us today.